Hello GoPro. It's me again. This guy, Mark Urich, however people want to pronounce it. It's really Urich, but nobody said it right my whole life. Look at this little thing. It's not. I'm not trying to get sponsorships. Well, yes, I am. I'm shameless. Nebo, they're bad to the bone. Flashlights, for the most part. Their customer service is a little, but anyways, this little thing though is so slim and it fits in my pocket and it's so bright. I don't know the lumens, I forgot, but it's really bright and it charges USB-C and boom, another one that's bam, bam. So cool, so handy. Okay, got a lot of plumbing to do. Have to get down in the hole here with all the spiders. I don't mean any harm, spiders. You can totally live here and stuff. It's cool. Oh, this thing's dead. Is it? Yeah. But luckily, it charges USB-C as well. Also, Nebo. Or I could just put this one underneath too. Sorry for all of that. And go up here. Check it out up here. How is it? Just there. You go over here, light. Don't have to talk about how that badass in the look. Y'all know I love that one. But these Nebo ones are pretty sick. This one also charges. I'll just let that one charge because I have enough lights. All the lights. Okay. I'm not sure if it's gross code or not, but I know I want a shut off on here. This is the hot. I know it's blue, but I ran out of red packs at the time and I wanted a hot shower, so I'm replacing it with copper now, so it's all nice and pretty where we are. There we go. I'm going to put this like that with some of these. Come here. Doesn't have to be crazy, just take some of the weight off. That'd be great. Go ahead and do the other side of this. If I can. Beautiful. God, this thing's awesome. Yes, please. Oh, I need to put a shut off for this Yeah, I might put it down here so I can reach it from this side. But right here, maybe I can still reach it. If I put it in. These aren't cheap, but they're so bomb proof and they're so easy and fast. That goes that way. I don't actually care that it's over here because all the other water shut-offs are over here. And it's for the hot, so if I have to come over here. That's fine, I should have got a 90, that was stupid. But it's fine. I guess. I'm doing my little copper thingy thing. And this little thing. I'll do this one up top where it's going to meet with the PEX, Pro Press, or whatever. Press expansion fittings. Expansion PEX 80. I'll do this that's fine there. Well, it's, I don't actually mind it being out with that either. So let's shut off right here. Good. Then we'll do this. And then we'll do it's gonna get wet. Good job, just chill like that. Yeah, nice. Okay, now. Shit. I don't think that. I fucked that up, not mine. I thought that was a bit longer than that. Or shorter, maybe. Yeah, we're gonna put it on there and just see. And no, I'm not on. I have to do this. Stupid. I'm gonna leave this whole thing on there. I just have to fuck with it. That. This. Now that's on there forever, theoretically. And to this, and if it starts leaking out like crazy, shut it off right there. If it's broken, because that thing, I can take it out eventually. Okay, let's see, push connects. I hate them. Okay, now we go do some more pinching of the copper and the brass. Nice and on there. Perfect. Next. Perfect. Perfect. Pretty sure that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see this up close. GoPro. Now that I'm moving, I'm done. Not done, I got a couple more. Okay. Pressure, temperature, release valve done. Hopefully not messed up. Now we need to go. I could just go right to the PEX, but I don't want to because I want this to look like copper and be all pretty. Pretty. My mind's telling me yeah, from my body. I don't know if you can sing that song. I don't know. Sings it, but probably a pedophile or something. Yeah, you like it there. found yet another. Let's see if I do. In the pecs variety, then I can just lay the pecs down to it. But this and that bay down to that all pretty fine. And no ugly fucking Zach. If you watch this, Zach, I'm not sorry. And there's something happening here. What it is plumbing unclear. Be right back. I'm not going to turn you off because, not going to lie, it's not going to be that long. Off a journey. Enjoy the soothing sounds of dripping hot water. Next is the filters. That's fun. Recorder. Incision. I don't want all that, I just want a 90. Do that, but I don't have a stop. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Don't have the right flex parts for this ground. Damn, there was one right there too. I could have cut that off of there somehow, some way. Oh well. Oh no. Forever seems like forever again. solution. Yeah, so I wouldn't be that long. Especially for a one-legged old guy in cross pace. I said to the guy that was helping at the time, who was a freaking D-bag, that I wanted the crawl space kind of more like a basement. And I really wish I had just fired him then and rented an excavator and done it myself, because he did not understand the assignment, as they say. Okay, what I'm gonna do, hey, is I'm so dumb. I had some of these, but just not with just to sweat on normally, but that it doesn't matter because it's just copper, so that will be perfect. 90, we'll call it a street 90, since we're coming into an expansion PEX, which is, this thing's pretty dope too. But what height are you at if I do that right there? I like that because I can strap you to this. More joist here. No middle. Whatever you want to call this. And another little piece of copper. Where's my copper at? It's over here. There's some little pieces down here. They're already cut. Of course, it's a nice reach. Just like everything else, isn't it? Come on. Come here. Come on, little copper piece. I know you want to come here. Okay. You there. Let's go. I know I plumbers grunt all the time because it's hard. I mean, you're always in weird positions on your knees. Like a Colfax. If you know, you know. I might do that all up first. I have to get that thing up there. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Boom. 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 So easy, so quick. Look at that. So pretty too. Oh, and then I can do this piece on there too. Oh, so pretty, so easy. Now we go up here like this at the angle that Right. Throw a bit of strapping. So it's already done. While I'm here, everything's already here. Too tight, just right. Yeah, buddy. Exactly. See how I'm snipping that off, and this is the garbage. Now it goes away to a bin, like to get taken away to wherever the dump is. That's how you make that pretty and clean up. It's easy, quick. Just so you know. Just didn't know if it was hard. Did I already do that one? Camera, did I do this one? I don't think I did this one.